several months later.
What's going on? What's happening? What's good? It's your boy. We are live in the studio and we are about to unbox. Yes, after months of waiting, I emailed a company and they sent me these. Shout out to this company because they sent me two. As you can see, I have two right here. 1 and 2. So we're going to unbox these bad boys. We're going to find out what company it is, and then we're going to dive right into this. So let's get it. I don't even know what kind of lights these are as well, because yeah. And I'm going to be on a mission because I have a couple parties coming up. I have a birthday party in Hamilton coming up, and then I also have another party following. So these are going to be great additions to what I'm going to be using them for. So looking at them now, it looks like it's two of them. We have in this box PowerCon cable. That's awesome. We also have a standard DMX cable. And let's get this bad boy out. Move and wash. Okay, it's a mover. You see that it's a mover and it's a nice, decent size. And this is by the company Betopper. This is their Betopper LM120. I'm gonna get you right here, guys. See if you can see that. Yeah. So this looks pretty cool. I like it's so small. Like, see, like I can just sit there and yeah. So let's get the other one unboxed. So now we have two of these bad boys. Nice. Okay, so there's two. We have two of these Betopper LM120s. I believe this is called the Demon Eye. I'm gonna get these programmed and I'm gonna get these set up. I already know exactly what I'm gonna do with these because it's not like it's a spot where it's a straight light. It's almost like a wash. So it's gonna fill rooms up with color, which is gonna be awesome. So we're gonna get these plugged up and powered up and see what they look like with some colors. So I got these bad boys powered up and now we're just gonna get them running on a sound or demo mode and see what we have. We have plugged up the Betopper LM120s and just by looking at them alone, they are filling up this room with amazing colors with a lot of good different effects. So I am gonna program these into my sound switch and we are gonna get these set up and dialed in. So as you can see, there is a strobe effect and they move around. Okay, we're gonna set up one more Betopper and we're gonna have a whole Betopper party. I have, yes, one more Betopper that I plugged up. This is the Betopper BI, the LM0740. So as you can see, I have all three of these running in an auto. I am gonna set them up with sound switch. And we're gonna get these synced up to some music because we are on a mission. We have a party coming up and we're gonna bust this one out and we're gonna have some fun. So let's take a dive into this Betopper and see what is online with it. Betopper LM120. Shopping. It retails at $169, but if you get over to Betopper and give them my link, they'll throw you a discount. See what kind of videos we have. The Betopper. Oh, they brought us here. All right, well, here it is. Let's see. This is from the Betopper official site. So I don't want to make a commercial inside of a commercial, but you get the gist of it. We're just going to talk about it on our own. The Betopper Demon Eye 120 LED RGBW 4-in-1 moving headlight. Let's look at some specs on this bad boy. In the package, you get a moving headlight, a user manual, a DMX cable, and a power controller. Power supplies AC 100 volts, max power is 100 watts, controlled DMX, voice controlled, self-propelled. It's 23 channels, it's 11.5 inches by 10.5, and the weight's not too bad either. Betopper LED 120 RGBW moving headlight. So I kind of want to show you what I want to do, but stick around for the next video. Introducing the Betopper's Demon Eye 120 LED RGBW 4-in-1 moving headlight. Equipped with a 120 watt LED that blends red, green, blue, and white colors, this light delivers brilliant and smooth color mixing to create stunning and visuals on the dance floor or the stage. It offers variety of operating, including DMX, sound activated, auto run, and master slave, making it easy to integrate into any lighting setup. A versatile and powerful fixture that brings dynamic lighting effects to any event. The Demon Eye features a pan and tilt movement with precise control, allowing you to direct the beams wherever it's needed. One of the standout features is the 4-in-1 LED technology, which combines vibrant colors for deeper hues and a wider range of effects. Whether you're looking to create a fast-paced light show or a more ambient atmosphere, the Demon Eye provides smooth dimming, variable speed, strobe effects, and customizable lighting programs. Built to last, this moving headlight comes in a durable, compact housing that is perfect for mobile setups, DJs, nightclubs, or even outdoor events. Its wide beam angle and sharp gobos, it adds an extra layer of visual excitement to your show. For versatility and performance at a great price, the Betopper Demon Eye delivers exceptional value with its 120 power range and professional features.